She was making 500 Rs a month. Now she's making 3,500 every week. You know what changed? Nothing. She didn't invent anything new. She followed a plan. There's a ton of beauty content out there, but 95% of people are doing it wrong. They spend hours creating videos nobody watches. Or worse, they go viral, but nobody buys. You know why? No system, no formula. The beauty affiliate strategy is exactly that. A guide that shows you which hooks actually convert into sales, which platform makes you the most money, and the exact video formula that sells. This isn't tips, it's a system. This isn't guesswork, it's science. Follow the plan. Week 1, first clicks on your links. Week 2, first commission. Week 3, scaling, hitting $200 a day. Week 4, system running on autopilot. Do the hard work now, get paid passively later. For just $7, you get access to everything: the system, the formulas, the full weekly content plan. But here's the warning: it only works if you do. A plan without execution is just paper. Click the link in bio, Beauty Affiliate Strategy.